Ow, fuck. Where are you going? Okay.
Hey.
Damn it, I have to pee. Why do we do this?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Go find a bush.
Whenever I pretended to go into the bathroom, you should have gone into the bathroom for
I didn't have to go pee then.
Why not?
I don't know. Don't ask my bladder how it works. It just does what it feels. And stuff. You understand me?
No, I don't. I don't.
You understand me?
I
Or beat you, you Zen Buddhist kimchi. Oh, it's all muddy here. Oh, grody. Ew. Gross. 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 Oh, it's like seeping into my shoe. This is not cool.
You should get gross shoes.
I should. Oh my god. What the shit. Okay. Oh, that's worse.
Okay, I think over here it's
Fucking
better.
hell.
Kind of. Yeah, it's getting better.
Okay. It's a solid. Okay, good. Solid area.
Just a short period of...
Just gross. And me cursing like 50 times.
Gross.
What is that?
It's just water.
Just
it's
water?
Like water. Well, mud. Water.
Mudder water. Oh, trickle. Trickle, trickle. I can't see that well because this camera sucks.
Okay.
Oh well. Trickle. Yeah, it was trickling.
It was awesome. Fish.
People can see because this camera is awful. Oh god, I thought there was like someone in there.
Seriously, what happened?
I thought you kicked it.
No.
Oh. Well. We're both confused then. This better not be gross. It's gross.
Is it gross?
No, it's not too bad.
Okay. It's even better than last time we were here.
Yeah, seriously. Whee! Oh yeah. It's fine. Yay, my wall's still there. There's my wall. There's the rest of it. And that. I have to remind myself to only like do this in like 5-minute increments or else YouTube's gonna yell at me. Be like, no, this takes too long. Plus it's in HD, so fuck you, Caitlin. HD? High definition wall. High definition Nathan. So high def. Oh my god. It's probably not a good idea. Go over here.
Better idea.
Slightly. Oh, that's squishy. I think that's a shampoo bottle.
Sounds.
Just chilling there. That was a bug. Right in my face. Full area. How squishy are you?
How squishy? Not
Solid.
squishy. Solid-ish?
Solid. You could like get across, so.
Okay. Yeah, solid enough.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at all this nature. Look at all this nature. Nature. An impossible cliff of death.
Like the one that I was like trying to climb up yesterday. I mean, that Monday. Feels like yesterday because I wasn't at school yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, I was sick.
Oh.
And gross and stuff.
Gross.
Suggest over here.
Okay. Stop. 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 Okay.
Maybe it was just birdies trying to freak us out when we made those sounds.
Well, I thought like you kicked something into there.
No, I kicked something.
And I wasn't like
go over there.
paying attention, so I was like, oh, this is Nate. And there's a tennis ball right there.
And this stick is our path over there. I'm sure it will do its
Yes,
job.
this will help greatly.
You know,
against
I think
all of
might be able to
this.
do that, but I don't really want to. These are my bad shoes. If I get wet, I don't care.
You can try.
I'm gonna try this.
Try to find you another small stick in order to get across.
Okay.
I believe in you. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes!
Okay, getting close to 5 minutes. Okay, I've just very like lamely leapt across that
It was fun.
stick. I used the apples to get across.
It was cool.
Oh
It's all like
my
weird
God.
looking with the
Oh, there's
light
sand all
and
over my shoes. That's so cool.
everything.
Like a little tunnel too.
Oh,
Go over there.
I know what I'm gonna do.
What the fuck was that?
It fell in.
What was it?
It was a rock.
Oh.
It's a rock.
Oh, now I'm sitting next to running water. This is not good.
Another one. What the hell?
Maybe they're like suicidal rocks.
These rocks want to die. They're drowning.
They wish for death.
My phone is all your phone.
No, it's not. It was your idea to come over here.
I want to get on that tree over there.
And get on the tree.
I can't. It's too far away.
I believe in you.
I don't believe in me.
Oh my God. Now as we watch Nathan try to struggle across.
I don't suggest doing this.
I wasn't gonna.
Little kids watching this, do not attempt at home. I want to get down there. It's so impossible though. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it.
I just got wet sand all over my butt because I was sitting. Give it up?
Maybe.
Okay. Check my hair. Probably looks terrible. Oh well.
Well, unless I can get upward, which would be nice.
Sprout some wings and then leap across like a flying monkey.
That sound is not very...
Yeah, I thought it was like your shoe or something. Probably can't see him right now because he's
Unstable footing. Not doing
hidden
it.
in the trees. Okay.
Okay.
You get out of there, okay. Take those yes. Yay, he's alive!
Live-ish. So glad I don't run very much, otherwise this tree would be coming out.
Okay. Maybe that, like, one building place that's down here is the bathroom. So I have to use it terribly.
Yeah, no. I don't know. Maybe it is.
Oh, good. We'll go adventure over there. Again. Whee! Now we're going on adventure to the bathroom. Perhaps go up here. Ow!
Oh.
Oh, I see an alcohol bottle. Right up in the yonder.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, very classy, everybody. Oh, and it's sky. Ooh.
Sky, eye. I've got 2 eyes.
Ow. Okay, I'm stuck. Fuck. Okay.
There you go.
Good. We're cool. Yay! Exit of freedom. Alright. Cool. I'm never taking that way again.
You know.
Alright, over here, I think. Yes, there it is. That looks like a bathroom-like area. Whee! scared the shit out of me. Then, when I release my bowels, we will go to the other side
Yay.
that we usually go on.
I love that I do this every day before my horticulture class. And I'm like,
Alright.
nature walk, and then nature class.
Nature everywhere. There was like a literal Why? I want to go potty. I don't like
Holy shit!
I know.
I hate you.
I don't like this. I hate today. I just wanted to pee. Fine. We're continuing our nature walk. If I had to be desperate enough to go into a bush, I'll go into a bush.
It sucks.
What if I was like giving birth or something and like I needed water? What would have happened?
Oh god.
What would
Dumb.
have happened?
Things would have happened. Very
Terrible things would have happened. So people are really just expected to go out into the woods and just poop there. I guess.
Yeah,
That's
probably.
cool. That's neat. That's gross.
That's how you butt makes.
That's the sound my ass makes. Okay.
We should inform them that should not happen.
Yeah. Like I'm not gonna walk all the way back up to the school just to pee. And then walk all the way back down here. That's stupid.
Ah, sprinkles.
Oh no, sprinklers. Many much sprinklers.
At least they're not touching my backpack.
It is a fountain. That was a tunnel. Water. Ah. Tunnel of darkness. That just walked funny into that missing tile. Alright. Yay, now we're on the other side. Yay. Yay. Meh. And down.
Down?
Down. It's gonna be bad. Okay, wasn't as squishy as I thought.
Hopefully I don't nearly die like it on Monday.
Yeah, that would suck. I'd be disappointed. Oh, I know I did that. I wanted to be accurate in our nature adventure.
Was this the thing there the first time?
Yeah.
Okay.
This giant leaf, however, was not here before. And I'm going to steal it. Oh my god, look at this!
That's awesome!
Here, hold it up like an umbrella. Oh my god, that's so cool!
I love it.
Where did they find that?
I'm gonna leave it here actually.
Yeah.
Because it looks awesome.
It fits with the rest of this weird thing. That's so cool. Where did they find that? Who comes out here and does this? I want to know.
We'll end up
Follow
running
them
into
and...
I would bet that we would run into them sometime. Yay, this log set of branch thingies.
Yay, it's still here so we can get across.
I'll hold this
And-
thingy down.
Hopefully not like retards. Perhaps. I need to get this to get past this retardedly. Oh god. Okay, that moved a bit. Oh my god.
Shit, I'll hold this under.
Okay. We're good. My pants got a little wet, but we're good. Or a lot wet. I'm not sure. I can't tell. Okay. Almost. Okay. Whew. I don't like that thing anymore. Yeah, I don't like that thing.
Yeah, no, it works, but no.
It's very inefficient. Yay!
And now you people know.
And then here's
all the
Narnia.
happens. All the magic of Narnia.
Narnia! Magic world! And this thingy, a jiggy, whatever it's may say. And here's Nate. Are you gonna lie across it like a girl again? Yeah, this was staple. No, I'm just a klutz. Hold up. I was already asked if this was here last time. I remember we were speculating about if it was here last time we were here too. So.
Yeah. Because we went over there and we didn't have it over.
Yeah.
It's reconstructed that since last time we were here. The previous time.
Yeah. Woo! Alright, I just went over 5. Okay, there we go. Yay! Look at the garbage bag. That's nice. Thanks, guys. Just simply breathtaking.
Work of art.
Oh, that's squishy. Woo! Okay, maybe I'll actually try to go across the thing today. It's still like really steep, kind of. Oh, that? I don't know.
I remember this being here, but I didn't even think about it as a passage.
Yeah, I didn't either. I don't know how stable it is.
It's pretty good. I'm kind of worried about it.
It looks kind of old. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna try to make air today.
You gonna make that?
Try. I'm probably gonna fail. So if I do, be warned, I'm gonna curse a lot.
Okay.
Okay. This is my getting ready face. Okay. Gonna walk briskly. Okay.
Pretty steep is always the problem.
Yeah. And then there's an ant on me, that's cool. Who's gonna title this video Caitlin is a pussy?
These are kind of like...
Well, yeah, but you're on the other side though. This is like really steep right here.
That one and your other foot on this long one, I mean, this group of them will probably be fine.
With my grace and...
Kaylee says you have tons of grace, so...
you shouldn't believe Kaylee when it comes to my grace. Okay, I think that's kind of stable.
There you go. There we go.
Yay! Okay. That was fun. Woo! Yay! Gonna be on top of the cave of coolness.
Cave of wonders.
Cave of wonders. Yeah. Yeah.
Wonders.
Yep. Look how wondrous it is down there. You probably can't see because I'm not gonna lean in anymore, but so wondrous. It's in here. Okay. I think we can like take maybe like up here to get out.
The leafy path?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
The leafy path. The path of leaves. Flowers. It's like, wait, my camera in its face. Lovely. Check my hurricane. I actually can't tell in this. I'm just doing this because I can.
Yay.
There's a bug. Good enough. Alright. I'm going to sit here for 2 more seconds and then we're going to leave. So I want food again and I have to pee.
Yeah.
What time is it? Okay. We got plenty of time for me to pee and get food.
Yeah.
Because I like food.
So, This is fun.
That's amazing.
Every day.
Every day.
Well, twice a week. Once or twice a week.
Yeah.
Close enough to every day.
Let's do it twice a week now.
Yeah, sounds fun.
I feel like carry this camera with me like around campus and like have it recording while I'm walking places.
It'll be like a video diary.
Everyone would be extremely freaked out. There's some chick walking around with a video camera.
Every second of her life.
I'll send it all to Kristen. Kristen, this is me going to the bathroom. Okay, this is steeper than I thought it was going to be.
Okay, we can make it. I promise.
Oh my god. I'm going to fall. Wait, this root. Oh god. I heard that snap. Jesus Christ. Alright. That was fun.
That was tons of fun.
That was awesome. I'm turning this off. Say bye, Nate.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, yeah,
But-
we used the stairwell.
Wait, we did?
Yeah, we came out
Oh.
and we realized it was a street and then we didn't use it.
Oh, okay. I was like, what is this?
Little area right outside the thingy.
Oh yeah, well this is simpler now because we can just go through the tunnel. We'll be at your backpack.
But the tunnels are awesome.
We're going through the tunnel.
Oh,
That's what I just said.
I didn't understand the
You tunnel! Yay. Wait. Ugh. Yay, I'll record this stuff. Yay. Oh, no, I won't. I still have to pee. Oh, there's so much water. Oh, there's water everywhere. Okay. Be the last shot.
Love this.
Yeah.
The reflection-y thing.
Yeah, walking around campus. I'll like walk behind you so people don't think I'm crazy.
We're crazy.
Nate says as he stumbles over stairs. I'm not crazy. Why would you think I'm crazy? Why would you say such mean things to your father?
I'm crazy too.
Yeah, good point. We do this. I can't see the screen at all. So it's gonna like be like holding it like this. I'm not actually recording, but I actually am. Okay, that's creepy. I'm gonna stop.